alone, without a home, hungry, or just want some good company can now go to the Golden Hall downtown right now at the Salvation Army's annual Thanksgiving dinner here. And 10 News reporter Mimi Alcala has how some parents are actually using this holiday to teach their children something new.
The line here has been forming since 9 this morning. Take a look at this. All of these people will be let in any minute now. They are ready to be fed. Volunteers have their sleeves up and are ready to help those in need this Thanksgiving.
We want to give back to others, and I want to show my kids, that they have a lot and be thankful for what they have, because others are not as lucky as them.
Talia Gonzalez, like many other parents, is using the holiday as a learning lesson for her young kids. She brought Annette and James to the Golden Hall to start serving those less fortunate and make it a new family tradition. She says they're excited to serve this Christmas as well. There are 350 volunteers helping out this year, including 16 Cirque du Soleil cast members.
This is sort of what the holidays are about in a big way, is being able to share what you have with other people.
The Salvation Army has prepared warm meals for 1,800 guests today at its 33rd annual Thanksgiving dinner, making sure no one is alone or hungry this holiday. Those being fed and those serving them are equally grateful.
It's just that little help that you could give, that's all that matters. So it feels good, and I'm excited.
Those people that volunteer to do stuff like that usually are good people. Yes, thank you very much. We all do appreciate it.
The food will be served at 12:15 today. The event goes on until 1.